Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add website shortcut onto the main screen on Tecno Pova Neo 2. Firstly, let's go to our browser and search up the website that would like to add the shortcut to our home screen. Now, while you're on the website, tap on the three dots in the right corner and then tap on Add to Home Screen. You can select the name for it. I'm just going to shorten it. It's really, yeah. Tap add again, and as you can see, the shortcut should have been added. Yeah, it's here. Of course, you can relocate it somewhere else, and that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.